Hello guys, welcome to in this videos. In this video I am sharing about what is the email search types. In every email serving Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, likes, I am example Gmails. The search type or the bar is usually a box at the very top of the screens. Unlike the box, the inbox type which show all emails or promotion types which show ads. The search types is a tools that lets you filter email based on specific words, senders or dates. Like example Facebook's. I'm searching the Facebook's emails. All the sends email in Facebook received my are here. How does it work? You type a keywords into the search box and the emails app look through every emails you have every received or sent to find that words. It does not just look easy to work. Guys, search type is very important in the Gmails. You can search easily all the senders and received Gmails are here. Like example, I am seeing the Facebook send me all the messages, mails are here. You scroll and seeing all the emails sending by Facebooks, and you are seeing all the Gmails you are sending. It's a very easy to stand.